Today I'm going to discuss the most important beautiful poem from BA program students of Some Pupil. The Some Pupil written by the Irish poet and playwright Rita Annie Hinks, which is based on the humiliation faced by the poor people due to the different classifications. It has been published in 52 ways of looking at a poem or how read modern poetry can change our life and focused on the problem faced by the some people in society who have become the target of upper lower class discriminations. So by this paragraph we comes to know that how the poem is based on the some pupils and who are denied by the uh, due to the differentiations of the class classifications, and it has been published in 52 ways of looking at a poem and how read modern poetry can change our life and focused on the problem faced by the some people in the society who have become the target of upper lower class discrimination. So in our society there are so many classifications: upper class, lower class, middle class, and this kind of discrimination is here. And some pupils are suffering from this discriminations because as he denied by the facilities in the societies as they are belonging from the lower class. So the whole poem is based on the some people who are denied by the society due to the class discrimination in our society, which is belonging from upper class, lower class, middle class, and this kind of classification is here. So, the poem Some People, written by the Irish poet and playwright Rita Annan, and which is based on the humiliation faced by the poor people due to the differential class classification. ठीक है? And it has been published in 52 ways of looking at a poem and how read modern poetry can change our life and focused on the problem faced by the some people in society. So now the next paragraph is belonging from this poem and which describe that the poem Some People written by the written Rita Annan Hinks showcases the struggles of a poor woman who is considered as a backward person in her society. So now we are talking about the women who are considered backward person in her society. That a woman is also a mother and feels pathetic when humiliated in front of her kids, but says that humiliations for her and pupils like her is never going to stop and no one can understand their feelings. So now there is a pathetic humiliation while they are humiliated in front of their children. So here she says that it is nobody wants to understand their feelings and to humiliate their children also make excuses. So in this paragraph we talking about a woman who considered as a backward person in her society, and she is humiliated by the society in the front of her children, and nobody wants to understand and them and their feelings about uh, the humiliation, and while to humiliate their children also make excuses. So in the next paragraph the mother is saying that some people know how it feels to be called a characterless woman in front of their children. So how it kid feels while her mother considered as a characterless in the society because as she is belonging from the backward class. So that's why she considered as a backward class and humiliated in front of their kids. how it how it feels to be called a characterless woman in front of their kids, and how it feels to be too poor to afford the rent and inability to pay for electricity, and how they are not able to buy the books for their kids. So their women are enough poor. Uh, they are not able to purchase a books for their kids, and no, and mm, there is a humiliations of backwardness and poverty also, and due to their privileged conditions, and their children are suffering from the lots of lackness of facilities in their life, like electricity, like food, like books, and like good education and moral environment also. All these things have been faced by the mother, who has also been tortured during the financial and medical need. So this kind of things are happening there, because as they are as she is belonging from the backward and the lower class, and she also been tortured while she needs the financial and medical need. She and the people like you have to wait in the waiting room for the tooth checkup and medical medicines. Okay? So now the woman is really suffered in the backward class society, and while she is really need the medicines, and she really needs uh, all the facilities which is very necessary, like financial needs, and she have to wait in the hospitals waiting rooms while she needs the medicines, and if she wants to check their uh, tooth checkup, and there is necessary needs of medications, and nobody is wants to give help her, as she is belonging from the backward class. So this kind of suffering here, and there is lots of lackness of facilities, like like medical, like financial, food, electricity, books, good education, and moral environment. So we have come to know that this kind of things, and happening in our society uh, with the women who are belonging from the backward class. Banana is the term used by the people who are the job seeker in finding job over a phone calls. The mother is saying that a pupil like her knows how it feels to fall in schemes of such bananas that makes you lose confidence but still get you jobs in dreams. So now banana is a term used by the people who are the job seekers. So job seekers who are always ready to find a good job, and they are always ready to be a settled person, but they are always finding a job, and job over a phone calls. The mother is saying that a pupil like her know how it feels to fall in schemes of such bananas that make you lose confidence, and जो कि लॉस कॉन्फिडेंस एंड बट स्टिल गेट यू जॉब इन ड्रीम्स. ओके, उनके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी है, बट दे गेट्स यू, लेकिन वो अभी भी जॉब पाना चाहते हैं इन ड्रीम्स. सम पीपल्स नो दैट हाउ इट फील्स टू लिव विदाउट एनी वर्क, मनी, clothes, friends, and etc. Such people have to go to the charity service for living, and their children make several excuses to save themselves from getting humiliated. Such people has to go to the charity service for living. ठीक है. सो कुछ जो यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों की बात की जा रही है जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा सफ़र करना पड़ता है फाइनेंशियली, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ के लिए, एंड फॉर द लिविंग पर्पस उन्हें चैरिटी में जाना पड़ता है, एंड बिकॉज दे हैव नो वर्क, एंड दे ऑलवेज फाइंडिंग अ जॉब, एंड but they, due to the lateness of the jobs, they have to suffer lots of difficulties in their life, like lateness of the foods and facility, and sometimes they have to go to the charity service for the living, and their children makes several excuses to save themselves from getting humiliation. Okay, so their children are also getting humiliation because due to the lateness and the poverty in their life, and as they are belonging from the lower class. The example is given of the milkman, that how when he arrives to collect the payment of milk, the children make silly excuses. Okay, Now, milkman, milk is the basic needs of a human, and for the childrens also. And while the milkman is coming from the payment, the childrens also make the lots of excuses because they have no money for the payment, and therefore they making lots of excuses. In the next paragraph, the mother is saying that once such pupil starts making excuses, the strike of their excuses continue. Sometimes the excuses need to be so strong that their children even lie about their mother death. Another example of excuses gives in the poem is the children telling the rent man that their mother is lying unconsciously in the hospital. The term "ST Just What Fourth Floor" refers to the financial supporter of the poorest pupil. So, the mother is saying that once such a pupil start making excuses, the strike of their excuses is continuous sometime. The excuses needs to be so strong that their children even lie about their mother death. Okay, now they are enough poor, and just because of that, there is the lackness of their facilities like foods, electricity, and the basic needs of medical facilities and the financial supported. The children are making excuses of their death of mother, and just because they really need the facility and they have to make the this kind of so strong excuses, and the strike of the excuses is continuous because they always ready to make excuses because they really need the facilities of financially and for the medical facilities. Another example of excuses given in the poem is the children telling the rent man that the mother is lying unconsciously in the hospital. Okay, सो यहाँ पे अनदर एग्जाम्पल है कि मदर जो है वो बेड पर अनकॉन्शियसली सफ़र हो रही है फॉर द मेडिकल फैसिलिटी, एंड दे आर मेकिंग excuses about that, and they are saying lie due to the lateness of the facility and the financial needs they really need, so that's why they making this kind of excuses. The term ST Judge Ward Fourth Floor refers to the financial support to the poorest pupil. जो टर्म है एस टी जस्ट वॉट फोर्थ फ्लोर रेफर्स टू द फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट, यहाँ पे रेफर किया उसने फाइनेंशियल सपोर्टर्स के रूप में और ऑफ द पुअरेस्ट पीपल, जो भी पुअरेस्ट गरीब लोग होते हैं उनकी मदद करने के लिए. So, in the next paragraph, the mother is expressing the humiliations faced by the poor people who are considered as second hand and second class and characterless in society and are walked on and pieced on by the wealthy people. Those wealthy people never have to face such humiliation in their lives. That's why don't know how their poor people feels. So. The mother is expressing their humiliation faced by the poor people who are considered as second hand. So यहाँ पे मदर जो एक्सप्रेस कर रही है ह्यूमिलेशन को जो कि फेस किया जाता है पुअर पीपल के अकॉर्डिंग, एंड हु आर कंसिडर एज अ सेकेंड हैंड, दिस इज सेकेंड हैंड समझा जाता है, एंड सेकेंड क्लास एंड करेक्टरलेस इन सोसाइटी, एंड यहाँ पे सेकेंड क्लास एंड करेक्टरलेस है इसमें सोसाइटी में, and are walked on and pieced on the wealthy people. So वो वहाँ पे walked करते हैं and pieced करते हैं on the wealthy people. Those wealthy people never have to face such humiliation in their lives. So जो यहाँ पे wealthy peoples का यहाँ पे जो एक discrimination है कि like second hand people and between the wealthy people, and is described by the poet, and how they feel so bad, and how they react to the wealthy people who have never faced any kind of humiliation in their life, in their lives, and their wealthy pupils never have to face such humiliation in their lives, and that's why they don't know how their poor people feels. So उन्हें कभी भी ये नहीं पता चला कि वो कैसे पुअर पीपल जो हैं गरीब लोग हैं वो कैसा फील करते हैं while they are humiliated by someone. So that's why there is a different kind of behavior towards the wealthy peoples. So lots of literary devices used by the Irish Annan, and here we have some literary devices used by the poet. In the poem, there is a structure of repetitions of the word and expression to be. So यहाँ पे एक structure है repetitions का words का and expressing to be, and another there is a rhyming and a half rhyme at some lines end. Although यहाँ पे जो है एक rhymes and a half rhymes है at some lines में जहाँ पे ending हो रही है, as well as the that repeated words that act similarly to the life rhymes, and the repetition at the beginning of the lines make the poem chant line like, thus giving the lines an insistent beat and rhyming that carries the meaning forward. So there is a repetition at the beginning of the lines that makes the poem chant like, and thus gives the lines an instant beat and rhyming that carries the meaning forward. So यहाँ पे literary devices का use किया गया है, and there is a rhyming scheme at the beginning of the line, at the end of the line, which make the meaning forward. So there is another literary devices is irony. Irony is a literary devices used by the poem which expresses a different meaning um, mm, which is totally opposite to the lines meanings which is expressed by the poem. Like irony is used for good effects with a sudden switch from to be out or to be in. In that in are not hopeful opposite of the hopeless out, but continuation of the theme of what people on the bottom rungs have to be content with. So the meaning is totally opposite what is expressed by the poet. There is irony here, so which is used by the poet beautifully by the use of the words which are from the to be out or the to be in. So in are not hopeful opposite of the hopeless out. So this kind of beautiful use of the irony devices here. And in the next paragraph, the woman in the poem some people is anger, and she is poor and deprived of necessities of life. She he is unemployed and living in charity unemployment and allowance. Second hand, she is destined to suffer and bear abuses. So यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे वुमेन्स का भी बारे में भी बताया गया है एंड मेंस के बारे में भी बताया गया है. वुमेन्स के बारे में ये बताया गया है कि how they are facing humiliation and due to the lateness of the facilities of necessary needs which they are really needs in their life, like education, like financial need, medical facilities, food, house, etc., and moral environment and good environment. So there is a lateness of facilities which is not available in the lower class pupils, and the woman is also belonging from that, and due to the lateness their children have to be suffer lots of things, and they are always ready to make the excuses for like mother dad and the unconsciousness of the mother in the hospital and etc, and they are always ready to make the excuses because uh, they really needs the financial support, they really needs the medical needs, but nobody wants to help them. That's why they're making this kind of excuses. He is unemployed and leaving the unemployment allowance. ठीक है, तो now the here is the line which is related to the man who is unemployed. ठीक है, and and he have to suffer lots of humiliation in his life because he is a job seeker, and nobody wants to give him a job, and everybody wants to make him feel bad, like he has to he have to suffer from the lots of humiliation in his life, and due to the lateness of the facilities, and as he is belonging from the lower class society and lower class pupils. So there is a Mm-mm. And they have to live in the charity and unemployment allowance. Though due to the needs and basic needs of the life, they have to go to the charity hospitals and charity NGOs and etc. because they really need some financial and basic needs in their life, and due to that, they always ready to make the excuses for that. Second, she is destined to suffer and bear abuses. She is destined to suffer and bear abuses. So the lady who is belonging here, and she is ready to get suffer all this kind of poorness and lack of facilities. So some people shows the disillusionment and unemployment here. So the conclusion is here, some pupils work because it retains the reader's interest by using a variety of tide and trust method, and this included shock, humor, fantasy, anger, and chanting. And it is a short poem that works extremely well when read in public. So some people works because it retains the reader's interest by using a variety of tried and trust method. तो यहाँ पे उन कुछ लोगों की बात की गई है जो कि वर्क करते हैं बिकॉज इट ट्रेन द रीडर इंटरेस्ट बाय यूजिंग अ वेराइटी ऑफ ट्राइड एंड ट्रस्ट मेथड एंड दीज इंक्लूडेड शॉक ह्यूमर एंड फैंटेसी एंगर एंड चैंटिंग। सो ये जो पोयम है इसमें जो रिलेशन है जो मिक्सचर है वो ये है कि यहाँ पे क्या है, एक शॉकनेस भी है, एक ह्यूमर भी है, एक फैंटेसी भी है, एंड एंगर भी है, एंड चैंटिंग भी है, विच इज़ ब्यूटिफुली यूज्ड बाय द पोएट। इट इज़ अ शॉर्ट पोएम दैट वर्क एक्सट्रीमली वेल व्हेन रीड इन पब्लिक। और ये मतलब ये एक पब्लिक को एक क्राउड को रिलेट करती है वाइल इफ वी रीड इन द क्राउड it makes the beautiful effect on them, and the crowd is able to understand the how the some people suffer from the lots of humiliation and lack of facilities due to the lower class discriminations. So now we have some questions here. The question is related from the poem. What is the speaker's anger in some people directed against? तो यहाँ पे speaker का जो anger है in some people directed against, यहाँ पे जो pupils का जो anger है वो ये है, जो poet का वो ये है उन लोगों के ऊपर है जो कि they are who are suffering from the humiliation by the upper and the wealthy class pupils, and who are not ready to uh, uh, do lots of work for the money. They are always ready to make the excuses for that. They always ready to make the excuses and get the money from the charity and the NGOs, and um they are really humiliated and by the wealthy and the upper class pupils, and especially the woman is also suffering from the lots of humiliation, and the woman in the poem some people is anger, and she is poor and deprived of necessities of life, and he is unemployed and lives in a charity एंड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अलाउंस। ठीक है, और जो मैन है वो यहाँ पे जो लोअर क्लास से बिलोंग करता है वो किससे सफ़र कर रहा है, जॉब सीकर्स है। जॉब सीकर्स who was always ready to get the job but nobody wants to give them work, and he is humiliated by the poverty and lots of lackness necessities of the life like the medical facilities and the financial support. So there is a direct anger on the wealthy pupils who are always ready to humiliate the some people who are belonging from the lower class. So why is the woman in the poem some people anger gives two reason. So यहाँ पे two reasons की बात की गई है. So first of all you have to write the structure of the answer, and first of all you have to explain that some people writer's background, and how he has published in 52 ways of looking at a poem, and how reads modern poetry can change your life, and focused on the problem faced by the some people in the society who have become the target of the upper class discriminations. So you have to explain the discrimination, class discrimination of the society, and secondly you have to describe the how the people humiliated by the upper class pupils. That the woman is also a mother and feels apathetic when they humiliated in front of their kids, and but saying that says that humiliations for her pupils like her and people like her is never going to stop, and no one can understand their feelings, and nobody wants to stop and understand their feelings. Nobody wants to listen their medical and the medical and the financial needs they really needs, and while the woman is humiliated in front of their kids, how she feels. So there is explanation here, and the next paragraph is mother is saying that some people know how it feels to be called a characterless woman in front of their kids, and how it feels to be up too poor to afford the rent and inability to pay for the electricity, and how they are not able to buy the books and for their kids. So there is a lot of lackness of the facilities, which is our basic needs like food facility, electricity facilities, water facilities, and and all that things. Bananas is a term used by the people who are the job seeker in finding job over a phone calls. तो यहाँ पे जो एक बनाना टर्म है वो यूज़ की गई है उन लोगों के लिए जो कि जॉब सीकर्स है, who are always ready to get a job but nobody wants to give them work, and some people know that how it feels to live without any works, money, clothes, and friends. Such people has to go to the charity service for living, and their children make the server excuses save themselves from getting humiliation and all that thing. So this kind of discrimination and this kind of lateness of the facility, and how they really wants to survive in their life, that's why they really making the strong excuses like mother death and unconsciousness of a mother in the hospital and etc. And in the next paragraph, now mother is saying that once such the people start making excuses, strike of excuses continues. Sometimes the excuses need to be so strong that their children even lie about their mother death. So they have to make excuses so strong, because they really need the medical facility and financial needs, as as the strike of the excuses is continuation. So they always ready to make the excuses and get the money and medical facility from the charity, and that's why they are always ready to make excuses. The mother is expressing their humiliation faced by the poor people who are considered as a second class and characterless in the society and are walked on the based on the wealthy people. So there is a description of a behavior of a lower class people and the second class people with the wealthy people, because they have never faced any kind of humiliation in their life. They always live a good life, and so there is a discrimination in the wealthy people and the second class people. Literary devices we have already discussed, you have to explain them also, and the woman is anger due to the poverty and deprived of the necessity of life, and the unemployment of a man is also anger due to the